This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming account state and isolating variables. Sign into YouTube, then clear cache or open an incognito window to rule out stored data. This often reveals whether the problem is local. Once done, disable browser extensions that alter page elements, ad blockers, theme tools, or privacy scripts because they're the usual culprits. Make sure to restart the browser after disabling. That forces a fresh load and shows whether the default layout returns before you try deeper fixes. Next, diagnose precisely. Try a different browser or device to confirm whether the issue is browser-specific or tied to your account. If it's browser-specific, reset settings or reinstall. If it's account-linked, open YouTube settings and restore layout preferences, language, and autoplay choices because these control visible components. Also look for account experiments or beta features. Opt out if enabled. Once you switch options, reload and compare differences so you can identify which change restored the intended layout and why. To finish, methodically re-enable extensions one at a time to isolate any extension that reintroduces the problem. This tells you what to remove or update. If the layout remains wrong after all checks, sign out and test with another account or perform a clean reinstall of your browser or app which removes corrupt files. If things still go wrong, collect console logs or screenshots and use YouTube's feedback tool to report the issue. Provide steps to reproduce so engineers can identify and fix the bug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.